Hello, my crafty friends. It's Jelly Bean again. And as I told y'all, I am going to start doing some destashes. And I am starting out with these. Now, I know y'all saw my tutorial for the simple, easy flowers. And I did part 1 and part 2. Part 1 was more of the sewing and lace flowers, the satin and lace flowers. Remember, we made this one. We made these. We made these. And I think this one was in part 2. But anyway, I have put together a kit for you to be able to make these flowers. And what I have done is I have added every color of satin that I have. In the 2.5 inch that I made these and these out of. And I have gold, this real pretty green, light blue. I have a salmon-y pink color. We'll talk about that one in a minute. I have purple, white, and red. And I have put 1 yard of each of the satin ribbon that I have. And 1 yard is enough to make 3 of these. So you've got 7 yards of just satin ribbon, which is enough to make 21 flowers. Now, in part 2, I also made this shabby lace flower with the stretchy lace. Remember I told y'all it has to be stretchy lace? Well, remember me making this one? I have included enough to make 1 shabby lace flower as well. Now, this kit comes with everything you need to make these flowers, except for a pair of scissors and some glue, and I think that's it. That's all you're going to need. Scissors and glue. Everything else is here. I have included in my kit, now the kit that you get will be just like this. I have some decorated up. I've made them out of some really pretty gold and pink file folders. Oh, crud. I was hoping that wasn't going to happen. I left the little box when the flower centers open so I could show y'all what's in here, but for shipping I will tape it. But let me go ahead and show you what's in here. I've got this little box that slides in and out right here, and I have in here enough stuff to make like 25 flowers. I have flatback pearls that are adhesive. I have flatback jumbo bling that's really glittery. I have some of the earring centers like I used. Let me kind of categorize it here for a second. Okay, you will get at least 6 of my earrings that I use for centers in my flowers. Now, the only thing that's going to be different in this kit is some of the buttons and the earring centers will be different. You'll get the same amount, but no 2 will be exactly the same because I don't have enough to do exactly the same. But here are some of the real glittery, sparkly earring centers. You'll get 6 of those. You'll get, I had 4. I guess 2 of them I lost when it fell. 4 vintage buttons. Now, the buttons may be a little bit different because I've got bags of vintage buttons, but not all of them are the same. So, you will get, look at that one, isn't that pretty? You will get 4 vintage buttons, various, you know, they're not going to be exactly each kit's not going to be exactly the same. You won't get the same exact buttons, but you'll get 4 buttons, 6 of the big flat bling, 2 of the pearl adhesive back, 6 of the earrings, and I've also thrown in some big pearls and some flatback colored pearls, which most of this will be the same unless I run out of the big pearls, then I'll find something else. But that is, this right here is enough for 18 flowers, and then you got 22, 26. This is enough to make 26 flowers. That's enough centers for 26 flowers. So you're going to get all of these, and I've told y'all before, my earrings I get at CVS for 99 cents, so each earring's 50 cents, y'all. But anyway, you're going to get that. Now, while it's out, I'm going to show you. You're going to get this really cute, there went my buttons and stuff I lost. These are some really cute file folders, and not all of them have feathers. Some of them have pineapples, some of them have palm trees, but it's got this pretty pink. Everybody's going to get the same type folder, and I'll make it using, I've got over a yard of this really pretty crochet lace with the gold thread in it, and I hope y'all can really see that, because that is what I made this flower out of. So there's enough of that to also make a flower. Now, just for a bonus, I'm including this little dangle, and I'll make every one little dangle and put it on with the garment pin. You'll get, that's your bonus. But anyway, also included in your kit, you're going to get 10 white already punched circles, because I thought, well, what if someone don't have the right size punch or don't have a paper punch? So I went ahead and punched circles. And if y'all remember in my video, I showed y'all I like to use the same color for the circle on the back, so it kind of camouflages in, and I use white to show y'all on most of those. But anyway, I have also punched circles for every single color of ribbon here. So every color of satin ribbon, there are also enough circles in here for 3 flowers per color. So that. Also, I am including 2 of the bobbins of the really heavy duty coat thread. Remember I showed y'all I get these little bobbins here with the real heavy duty coat thread that's real easy to pull it. Well, you can take all of this and make all the flowers out of this and still have enough left over for one. But I thought, you know, I got a whole box of them. I got a good deal on them, so I'm going to give y'all 2. That way you'll have them if you want to make more after you make these. Also, the little rubber bands that we used to make the shabby flower, remember? If you go back, I'll put a end screen and you know where the little eye is? I don't know if that's still available, but if it is, the little eye up there in the corner, it'll be right up there, a circle with an eye in it. If you click on that, it'll drop down, and I'll have links to part 1 and part 2 of the flower tutorials. Now this one was in part 2 when I showed how to do it, after I showed how to make the ponytail ones, and I used the little rubber bands to hold it together. So I'm including some rubber bands. And for those of y'all who don't sew but now want to try it after seeing the tutorial, I have even got a sewing needle in here for you. I had my pack up here to show y'all, but of course I've lost it and can't find it now. But I have in here, and you can see it, I embossed a piece of paper, and I have one sewing needle in there going through the embossed paper for y'all, so you can, all you have to do is you need your scissors, a way to measure and make sure you get it the right length, and some glue for these and these. You'll need glue. and you'll need glue to put your center in. And then for these, you'll also need the glue to do your circle on the back. But anyway, I am selling these kits, and I know I have enough for at least 4 kits. But I will continue making them until I run out of stuff. So once I run out, I will put in the title sold out. So unless it says in the title sold out, I still have some. So now, these are going to be $20 plus shipping. And the only reason I'm doing that is because some people's shipping will cost more. Now, I can get this in one of the flat rate envelopes. But in some situations, if you are on the East Coast, I can mail this cheaper than the $8 that is for the flat rate envelope. I have a shipping scale and shipping label printers and everything because of selling on eBay, and I ship from home. So unless my scale isn't working, then I have to go to the post office and have it weighed. But anyway, I ship from home, so I can ship pretty economical. As long as it doesn't go over 1 pound, I can ship it first class. And these are under 1 pound. So I can ship these first class depending on where you are. Now sometimes if you're on the West Coast, it is cheaper to use the flat rate envelope. So depending on where you are, it may or may not be a certain price. So that's why I'm doing plus shipping. Because if I say plus $8 shipping to everybody, then, you know, some people I can ship for $4 and some people, you know, I can't. So anyway, I try to be as fair and everything. I'm going to have some more destashes coming up. If you want to combine shipping, I will try to get these out. If you ordered these to, like, if you ordered one now, when I load the video, I will get it out the first of the week. So it'll only be a couple days, and depending on where you are, the longest it should take to get to you in the United States is 4 days. Providing they don't lose it. But anyway, enough blah blah blah. These are going to be $20 plus whatever shipping it is. If you're interested in one, leave your zip code down in the comments, or you can email me. My email will be in the description. And let me know how many you want, and give me your zip code so I can calculate the shipping and tell you how much it'll be. Then you can either PayPal the total to me or use Zelle. I don't know how many of you are familiar with Zelle. Some people call it Zelle, Z-E-L-L-E. It is a free money transfer thing that just about every American bank has. And if you do online banking, there is probably a thing on there that says Zelle. Sign up for Zelle. It is free to send money. It is free to receive money. They don't charge any fees for anything. Now, if you send PayPal, that is fine, but it will have to be friends and family, because I have a business account with PayPal and they charge me a considerable amount in fees. So it will have to be friends and family. Anyway, I hope y'all will want to get this, and if you decide you want one but want to wait until you see the other Destash stuff I have so we can ship it all together, I will do whatever I can to make shipping as cheap as possible. That's all for this video. I will be back with more videos. Y'all leave me a comment, let me know what you need, what you're looking for. What's something that you're having a hard time finding, because I have stuff from both my grandmothers and my mom, and I might have something that you can't find in the stores. I have a lot of really unusual stuff. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you're interested, leave a comment or email me. Don't forget to leave your zip code so I can tell you how much shipping is. Y'all have a crafty day, and I'll be back real soon. Bye for now.